Hi, is your team on the same page as you want them to be on concerning how they deal with your customers, how they take care of them, and how they engage with them? I'll share with you a quick story. A good friend of ours just a couple of days ago had to go to a local hospital that's on the billboards I see when I drive, they're on the radio, I hear their ads, how they really care for the patients, how they desire to make a difference in people's lives. She was at that hospital. Her daughter was next door at an outpatient clinic run by the doctors of that hospital. While she's in the waiting room, they tell her to leave. She can't stay there. Her daughter isn't in that building. She's in the other building. That doesn't cover this office. Though the doctors had told her that was the place to wait. She went on wait in her car. Let me ask you think there's a disconnect there at that hospital between what the employees are doing and what the management thinks they're doing? What about in your business? You can't afford a disconnect. Don't you want your employees to give the service, the care, the love to your customers, which is why you started that business to start with? If you'd like that to happen, if it isn't happening to you, consider a team workshop where I come on either online or in person. We help motivate those employees and help train them in the outcomes you want those customers to receive from your people. It's not that hard to do. I've got a step-by-step process that can help you improve the engagement with your customers from your own employees so everybody's happy and you make more money. Check out the different workshops I have available. See if it might be a good fit. I would love to see if McIntyre's blueprint for selling workshops would work